Every time we step onto the road, we embark on a journey filled with risks. Just 1 second of carelessness, a single mistake, can cost a life or change it forever. In this video, we not only compile shocking traffic accidents, but also bring you valuable lessons on responsibility and safety for every mile you travel. Watch, reflect, and drive with a mindful heart. Because life has no rewind button, but you always have the power to choose safety. Join us to learn what to avoid and how to protect yourself and those around you. The truck accidentally drifted into the wrong lane right in front of an oncoming vehicle. Neither driver had time to react, and the crash was unavoidable. Glad everyone made it out okay. Stay safe out there, folks. Man, that was wild. The car just turned out of nowhere, giving the bus driver no time to react. You can see the driver trying to steer away, but it was too late. Straight into the house.
Research group for PERG just did a study that ranks cities in terms of how many residents are car-free.
A high-speed vehicle races toward a sharp curve but loses control during a risky turn. The driver struggles to regain balance, but it's too late, slamming head-on into an oncoming car. Watch as a cargo truck stops at a sharp curve, only to face disaster when another truck comes speeding around the bend and crashes head-on into it. The impact leaves the second truck severely damaged. A small car recklessly overtook a large truck, cutting in dangerously close without warning. The truck driver had no time to react, leading to an unexpected and shocking collision. Wow, that's insane. Seeing a semi-truck crash straight into a house and then burst into flames is absolutely terrifying. That was crazy. The dump truck was just driving along, and out of nowhere, the rear axle support completely gave out. That could have ended really badly and super dangerous. Glad no one got hurt, hopefully. Stay safe out there.
Yeah. Look.
That was wild. One car hit the other and straight up flew off into the river. Hope everyone's okay. That could have ended way worse. Crazy how stuff like this happens so fast. An unexpected traffic situation occurred when a car suddenly lost control and veered into a roadside ditch. This serves as a reminder for everyone to stay focused while driving and always check their vehicle before each trip. That was insane! The way the car completely lost control on that curve and flew off the bridge. Absolutely wild! A driver refuses to pull over after being signaled by the police. Instead of stopping, the vehicle accelerates in an attempt to flee. What happens next? A shocking collision as the car slams into the back of a vehicle stopped just ahead. A speeding truck barrels down the road, taking a sharp turn too fast and losing control. Within seconds, it smashes directly into a nearby house, leaving smoke and debris in its wake. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping footage. What was supposed to be a routine response to a serious accident turned chaotic when a police car arrived at the scene and unexpectedly crashed straight into the vehicle ahead. A car is driving steadily along the road when suddenly another vehicle from behind loses control while steering and crashes straight into the rear. The impact sends the second car skidding into the guardrail, resulting in a dramatic, lengthy slide. In this intense and unexpected accident, a semi-truck was cruising down the road when suddenly a speeding vehicle from behind slammed into it, causing the massive truck to flip over. A speeding car loses control and crashes into a parked vehicle on the side of the road. The unexpected impact flips the parked car and sends it flying a surprising distance. Watch this shocking moment as a speeding car crashes into a parked vehicle on the side of the road. The impact sends the parked car flipping over and flying a surprising distance.
Oh. Was
Heavy traffic on a bustling street slows down unexpectedly. As cars cautiously reduce speed, a vehicle from behind fails to brake in time, crashing straight into the flow of traffic. The impact sparks a chain reaction, resulting in a series of unexpected collisions. A routine day takes a terrifying turn when a car unexpectedly loses control and crashes directly into a gas pump. Sparks fly, igniting a sudden blaze at the station. A driver takes a daring and dangerous chance by crossing a fragile wooden bridge with a heavily loaded truck. As expected, things don't end well. The bridge gives way, sending both the truck and cargo plunging into the water below.
Start recording him.
A car in front makes a sudden and reckless turn, leading to an unavoidable collision with the vehicle behind. The quick decision by the driver ahead causes chaos on the road. Watch the intense moment unfold and remember, road safety always comes first. Out of nowhere, a car lost control and came speeding toward the crowd. Thankfully, quick reactions prevented the situation from getting worse. Watch to see how it all unfolded and stay safe out there.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
A driver makes a risky decision by crossing a fragile wooden bridge without considering the heavy load. Unfortunately, the weight proves too much for the structure, causing both the truck and the bridge to collapse. A car speeds into a sharp curve, but loses control, resulting in a dramatic rollover. Watch how quickly things go wrong when speed meets dangerous turns. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported. Two cars collided at a busy intersection, leading to a dramatic scene where one vehicle flipped and landed on its side. Witnesses were left in shock as the chaotic moment unfolded. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Watch as a high-performance race car speeds down the track, pushing its limits. As it approaches a sharp turn, the driver loses control, causing the car to flip dangerously.
Thankfully, the driver was fine.
Two vehicles collide at a busy intersection after ignoring traffic signals. The footage serves as a powerful reminder of the dangers of reckless driving and the importance of obeying traffic lights. With cars moving steadily, one vehicle suddenly made an unexpected turn, leading to a shocking accident. Watch to see how it unfolded and remember, always stay alert on the road.
In case the battle should get down.
A reckless driver speeds through a red light, colliding with a car that was crossing the intersection legally. The impact is intense and serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of ignoring traffic signals. Oh my God, I can't believe it. How could anyone dare to stop on the train tracks like this?
Oh shoot!
In this intense dashcam footage, watch as a driver makes a dangerous and illegal lane change, cutting off another vehicle and causing an unfortunate collision. We will highlight a dangerous traffic situation caused by turning without using signals. You'll see how quickly things can go wrong when drivers fail to communicate their intentions on the road.
It looks like overspeeding played a major role in this accident.
Watch this intense road moment as a car suddenly stops on a busy street, forcing the vehicle behind it to swerve into the adjacent lane. What happens next is pure chaos. A large, heavy truck tries to avoid the unexpected move, but ends up causing a dramatic collision.
Oh my God!
Oh, fudge.
What happened?
This guy turned on top of him.
Oh my God, They're going through the intersection without even looking. Several vehicles were moving slowly on the road due to traffic congestion when sudden crashing sounds echoed from behind. It turned out that a semi-truck, unable to control its speed, had slammed straight into multiple cars. In this intense road footage, a car comes to a stop on the road while another vehicle moves alongside it. Due to limited visibility, a speeding semi-truck fails to notice the situation and crashes directly into the stopped car.
I was going to add something else that clamped his mouth shut. Where was that? He had some kind of...
Traffic accidents happen in the blink of an eye, often leaving lasting consequences for those involved. Watching these moments can be unsettling, but they carry an important message. Safety should always be our top priority on the road. Whether it's following speed limits, staying focused, or showing patience to other drivers, small actions can prevent devastating "oh." Let these incidents serve as a reminder that driving is a responsibility we all share. Every life matters, and every safe decision you make behind the wheel contributes to a safer journey for everyone. Stay aware, stay responsible, and remember, getting there safely is more important than